Got a package from a new site called From Nature with Love. Their packaging is really nice. They have like this green theme. Obviously, it's like nature is green, so they always package with green things. Ooh. Okay, so this isn't a fragrance oil. This is tamanu oil. Where did I read about tamanu oil? I don't know where I came across it, but it's supposed to have like really good benefits for the skin. So I bought some. Let me just see what it smells like, if it has a scent. Okay, tamanu oil. It just smells like oil, like castor oil type of smell. Okay, they really package up their stuff. Brambleberry does not do this, but Brambleberry sits it in like an egg carton. All right. All right, so this fragrance is called Mahogany Suede. Let's see what it smells like. Jesus Lord. It smells really, really, really good. Oh man, what is that comparative to? I don't know what to compare this to. It kind of reminds me of a man. It smells like a cologne. There's a cologne that this smells like. It smells like something that a guy should put on their beard and like aftershave with. Like this smells like a man. Like I like it. It's not a feminine scent at all, but it's okay. It smells good. Sometimes I like to have a manly scent diffusing through my house. Or sometimes I even like to smell like a man. I don't know why. It makes me feel like a man is on me and like hugging me. Their packaging is top notch. Like, not gonna break. Oh, this is the moringa oil. Okay, moringa oil is not, it's not a fragrance oil. Moringa oil smells good. Their packaging is beautiful. I love it. It's just so clean and fresh looking with this light green. Oh, I love it. Okay, this one is, what did I order in here? So the reason I have two boxes, if you're wondering or if you care, if you're like me and I just said that, you're out there like, I don't care. But anyway, I ordered some things one day and then I went back to the website the next day and ordered more. So it was like one day in between my order, so it came the same day. Not even a day, it was a couple hours in between my order. Okay. I would hate to be the person to have to wrap up everyone's order, because this is doing the absolute most. But I appreciate it. This is fig fragrance. You guys know how I feel about fig fragrances, and since Brambleberry discontinued Moroccan fig, I'm still on the hunt for a fig fragrance that I would like to wear. Okay. Wow, I smelled the undertone of fig. It smells like the holidays. It smells like a Crabtree and Evelyn store. Like a potpourri or something. I like it. It's a bunch of like bursts happening in my nose. I like it. It smells really good. They're a really good website. I think I like them better than Candle Science. Candle Science scents are strong, like punch you in your nose. But I like strong. But these are a blend of Candle Science and Brambleberry. So it's like, I think I like them better than, I don't know, than Brambleberry. The quality is the same as Brambleberry, but it's a different vibe. This is Asian Plum Blossom. I usually don't like floral scents, so hopefully this does not smell like a floral scent. Okay, that smells good. I like this a lot. This is going to be perfume. Very clean. Very clean, but still packs a punch. I like it. Okay, I'm very satisfied. Very satisfied. I placed another order last night. I was laying in bed at like 2 o'clock in the morning. I could not go to sleep. And I went back to this website, From Nature with Love. And I ordered like $50 worth of fragrance oils. So I'll have another video coming very soon. Oh, I got braces, by the way, as you can see. That's all. Signing off.